In December of 1998, I was 23 years old and called my boyfriend to tell him I was pregnant, and all he said was, "No problem, we'll take care of it." And from his confidence, I found comfort that I was doing the right thing, and not only that, that I was fortunate to have him to be so confident and so supportive. He paid for my abortion with his band's American Express card, and that was that. I hardly ever heard from him after that. I tried to drink myself to death after it happened. For years I hid it. I never, ever considered how it would affect my future, but especially how it would impact my own parents and my future children. My parents now are missing a grandchild. My daughter and her two sisters and younger brother are missing an older brother. And we are all here to say we are silent no more.
Amen.